one inning, right?
Josh got suspended for fighting.
Yeah, and then
beating up Donovan, and then Chase got suspended for hitting. Well, they basically both got suspended for fighting for an inning. So
yeah, they're all for an inning.
I can't find my way back to you till you make amends with the demons you've been through.
That is.
I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
That is a grand slam.
Until you find your way back home.
I think that was a home run with Spencer. What a bomb. Ground ball.
Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
Call time.
Don't let me drown.
Strike three. That's the end of the first. Ooh, strike three for Trenton. That's a strikeout. First strikeout. Ooh. That's a strike. That's the ground ball. Tie two. That is 2 outs. Ball four. Josh, what are you doing? Double play.
Till you find your way back home. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
Oh, look at the ball. Home run. That. how do you think your team's gonna do now after you sweep the Seagulls?
You know, me and Xander both have been getting really good at pitching, and if and let's say since the Warhawks really don't have pitchers, we'll get walks and score more runs. And I think me and him did good hitting wise. You know, I got my first 2 home runs of the season this game. Got a couple doubles, singles. I think I really helped out my team too. And our team just gets better and better every day. And yeah.
Okay, how do you feel about your upcoming series against the Alligators?
You know, we're gonna do good when Donovan's pitching. When Connor's pitching, we may not be as good, but still, me and Xander have been figuring out curveballs because we've been practicing. We try and throw curveballs to each other to get used to seeing the curveballs off the hand. So yeah.
All right, now to Trenton with the interview. How do you feel your team's doing after the All-Star break?
I think my team is doing pretty bad. Josh can't hit no balls today. Carried him the most of the game, most of the season, and so I think next season, I think I'm not gonna have him.
I got a question.
All right.
Next season, how do you feel? Are you gonna who are you gonna pick up? And is Josh gonna be in AAA?
Yeah, so he's asking so next year, if you guys probably don't really know, but on Instagram yesterday, the poll is still on there. Follow us, OCWL 19. But next year we're adding a AAA league for us, So how do you think you're gonna put Josh in your AAA probably, and just get someone good or what?
I think I'm gonna put Josh in AAA, and then I'm gonna probably pick up Dylan.
Alright, that's it for today's interview. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and more videos are coming.